How many NFT properties should be in your NFT collection? Common properties and uncommon properties. Based on the top 50 NFT collections on OpenSea, no less than 7, because the average 88% had 7 properties. I'm talking about the main category. I'm talking about hair, for example, or hats, for example, or faces, or even eyes. Those are main properties. Common properties, 7 of them, are a background, a body, a head, eyes, mouth, clothes, accessories. Those are the 7 top common main properties in a collection. Examples would be a background, solid colors, gradients, patterns, or a location, meaning something behind you. Examples of the most common accessories might be earrings, hats, cigarettes, or bubblegum. Examples of the most common eyes: bored, sleepy, closed, sad. Those are descriptions of eyes. Most common hats: beanies, cowboy hats, halos, and baseball caps. What do collectors care about? Because that's who you really want, are people who are collecting NFTs to buy into your collection. Well, they want rarities, valuable NFTs that have more rare traits than others. So when you are creating your collection, you're including a good amount of common traits, but also a nice amount of rare traits, and then some super rare traits where you may be having one of ones for collectors, because you want collectors to collect your NFTs and pay more for them. What are 7 uncommon properties? Multiple body shapes is huge. Then just the left eye looking different from the right eye. This is something that's very uncommon and new in properties for NFT collections today. This could change within a month or 2 months. Everything changes. Left-hand accessories, right-hand accessories, tattoos. Where there might be tattoos on a face, on a neck, on a shoulder, or if it's in a hand or something like that, and piercings. That is also something that's completely new and uncommon in property. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe. If you like this video, you know I love those likes. Thank you guys so much for being here. We appreciate you. We love that you're here, and we'll see you in the next video.
Toodles.
Ciao, guys.